at the Iloilo Convention Center to take part at the World Food Expo as they bring more opportunities to the food industries, food businesses here in Iloilo City. So let's check it out! Jar opener from Taiwan Scissors. And for those who missed the World Food Expo here in Iloilo City, don't you worry because they will be at update here in Iloilo City. And for those who like this video, please do give me a thumbs up, share this video, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you very much, everyone.